Hi guys. Don't mind the terrible background. I always have crappy background and it just seems to be getting more and more messy by the day. So really sorry about that. But anyway, so a while back someone left me a comment saying that they would really love to see me do a reaction to this dance group called Remote Control, and the video that they wanted me to react to is that group dancing to a song called Neon Sky Rain by Vector Lovers. So let's just check this out. Let's begin.
Remote control.
Oh, this is something else. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, clothing, if that's what they're wearing, super cool. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh my god, this looks unreal. Oh my god, like the amount of control that they have with their body. Holy crap. I love how it's kind of like machiney or like robotic like, but it's also smooth at the same time. There's still curves to the movement. Oh my god, legit look like it's just 3 golden statues dancing. It almost looks unreal. They're humans, but it looks like they're not. And I like the height difference. How like the guy in the middle is like a lot shorter than the other 2 guys, but hey, it still works. I wonder if they're like performing in front of like a live audience, or are they just filming on some stage and then sharing it online. Wow. Oh my god, what are their clothes made of? It has that metallic, silky feel, and it's like reflective. Dude, they're able to hold their body so still is amazing, man. It's like when it needs to move, it moves. But when it doesn't, ooh, it is still as a rock. Yes. I like when them 3 move together. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're coming closer to me. Should I be frightened? Oh my gosh. Whoa. The end. Thanks for watching. Thanks for making that. Please subscribe. I should do that. Hey. Wow, their movements like seem to be really precise, crisp, and clean. I really wonder how many years they trained for in order to, do a performance like that. That was really, really amazing. I don't exactly like, I'm no dancing expert. This is probably like the first dance type video that I reacted to. But like, what's the genre or style of dancing that whatever they did belong to? Like, what is that called? Like, what is that style called? Um, I really don't know. I've seen other some people do something similar, but yeah, but that was still really damn cool. And this posted like 4 years ago. I don't know if they still make more dancing videos or not. But I guess I will need to check them out some more. Anyway, thank you so much to whoever requested for this video, and thank you to you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content from me, make sure you click subscribe. Adios, guys. Please stop. Please stop. Just stop. Whatever you're doing, just stop. Okay. Great. This is lovely. This is just the beginning, and I already have so much to cut.